Hi guys, I am Shahzad and welcome in lecture number 15. Today we are going to explain the audience sections in our analytics, Google Analytics. Okay, so now I'm also logged in with my account. Just find the Google and you have to say the analytics. Google shows you the first result. Click on this one. Before accessing your panel, you have to log in with your Google account. Okay, fine. So now as you can see, Google showing you the home page of your panel or the dashboard. The active users are 4. So now as you can see, 4 active users. Google also showing you the stats of the overall stats of your website or the performance. And make sure I'm at my website, which is a Shagzy. Okay, so now if you click on the audience sections, just click on the overview. So if you click on the overview, Google tells you the overall stats. So how many users there, new users, sessions, number of sessions per users, pages. So a lot of information is available here. So as you can see, 84% visitors. So new, I have 84% new visitors. So 15% normally are the running visitors visit my website. If I filter out the country, so now you can see 42% crowds or visitors coming from the India, Indonesia, Pakistan. So these are the 10%, 6% according to the country. If you click on the city, Google shows you the visitors website, visitors stats or the audience stats by the country. So as you can see, why you want to view this kind of information, because you have let's suppose if you are selling something on a particular country and you want to just calculate that how many visitors coming from a particular country. So you have to add some kind of campaign, some kind of other informations you are going to get. So that's why you need the stats. So that's why you use the analytics tools, and Google tells you each and everything related to your audience, your clients or your users. Both are the same things. If you click on the active users, so this is the overview. Google showing you the overall stats. If you click on the users, new users, as you can see, the Google showing you the separately. Just click on the active users, click on the lifetime value. So this is the lifetime values. If you click on this graph, as you can see, this is the graph. Okay, you have the audience sections. So this is the audience sections. If you click on the active users, you can also change the date here. I'm saying please show me the results from this date to this date, and so this is a by default. If you click on, if you want to show some other dates, just select your dates and apply the filter. Okay, fine. If you click on the Geo Locations, you can also view the audience by your language and also by the locations. So you, as you can see, you have the audience by language. So this is the English US. So you have these languages your audience are using, or this is the overall stats by the location. So now as you can see, I have the Indian crowds. Okay, so if you click on the behavior, just new versus returning. So as you can see, you have the new users, you have the returning users. So you also have some other settings or some other panel or some other pages here. If you click on the mobiles overview, as you can see, mostly persons use the desktop to access your website, and as you can see, 13% visitors use the mobile to access your website, and also the tablet, so 0.12%. so just find some other things here and let me know in the comment below. If you think we forgot something or missed something, so we can create for you or we can update our course for you. So this is fine. I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture, we are going to explain the occasions, behavior, and some other stuff on the analytics tool. So if you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So thank you for watching.